Gita, Bite-Size Learning, Episode 17, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Shloka 8. Question: do you know which brother of Duryodhana stood up for Draupadi and resisted her Vastrapaharan? Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Krupascha Samitinjayaha Ashwathama Vikarnascha Saumadatisthataivacha. In the current episode, we are continuing with Shloka 8. The next name Duryodhana mentions is Vikarna, his younger brother. Vikarna was truthful, righteous, and an ardent follower of Dharma. Vikarna stood against the game of dice which led to the pawning of Draupadi and an attempt to disrobe her in front of a full house of courtiers. Everybody stayed mum except Vikarna. Vikarna supported his sister-in-law when she questioned the Kuru elders about the treatment meted to her and opposed the celebration of shame centered around disrespecting a daughter-in-law of the Kuru dynasty. It is said that Karna taunted Vikarna for raising an objection against his own brother's decisions, and Vikarna replied that disrespecting and insulting a woman will for sure lead Kuru dynasty to doom, which proved to be right in later years. Duryodhana asked Vikarna to refrain from voicing his opinions and asked him to keep quiet. Duryodhana names only Vikarna of all his 99 brothers, as subconsciously he has a fear about Vikarna dissenting to take part in the war. On the 14th day of Kurukshetra war, Bhima is faced by Vikarna. Bhima is well aware of Vikarna's dharma consciousness. Bhima has a soft corner for Vikarna and refuses to fight with him in spite of his vow to kill all the 100 Kauravas. Vikarna consoles and says, I am bound to my duty of following Duryodhana's orders. I am well aware of the defeat we Kauravas are going to face. Please follow your Yuddha Dharma and fight with me. Bhima had no choice but to fight Vikarna, and he killed him in a mace fight. It is said that Bhima lamented Vikarna's death. The last name of the shloka is Saumadatti, which means son of Somadatta, Bhurisrava. He is the grandson of Bahlika king, the oldest man in the war, and uncle of grandfather Bhishma. On the 14th day of the Kurukshetra war, Bhurisrava was killed by Satyaki. After a fierce battle, there existed a feud between the families of Bhurisrava and Satyaki since a very long time, and Satyaki was waiting for an opportunity to kill Bhurisrava. Duryodhana ends the shloka with the word Tathaivacha, which means many more warriors like these. Duryodhana is afraid of the arrangements made by Pandavas, but hopes strongly that his side of preparations are much better. War is the most destructive and pitiless of all human activities. Yet, the experience of war has a profound and strangely compelling effect on those who fight. Preparation for a war is not at all easy. Most important preparation is preparing the mind to face death in its closest quarters. A student said to his master, "You teach me to fight, but you talk about peace. How do you reconcile the two?" The master replied, "It is better to be a warrior in a garden than to be a gardener in a war." Thank you for watching. Meet you soon.